Hey guys, bienvenue, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some Cajun turkey wings in the oven. And for this recipe, I have my turkey wings here. I have 6 pieces. Next, I have my green seasoning. In here, I have black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, and I have some poultry seasoning here. And I'm also going to be using my olive oil. Let's get right into the recipe. So the first thing we're starting with is our olive oil. Not too much because remember this is turkey wings. This is fat already on here. Next we're going in with our green seasoning and the seasoning blend. Now, usually I would go in with onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, etc. But in this Cajun seasoning, it already has all of those ingredients. And now we're gonna mix everything together. I like to take them individually and just rub the seasonings on. So I'm gonna lay it in my glass dish. And I put some olive oil in here. You can put butter as well. Okay guys, so it is all seasoned. I am going to cover this up with plastic wrap and allow it to marinate for a minimum of 1 hour before I put it into the oven. It's going to cook in the oven at 375 for approximately 1 hour. The first 30 minutes I am going to cover it, and the last 30 minutes I'm going to uncover it and allow it to get brown. So I'll show you guys halfway through how it looks. Okay guys, so this is 30 minutes later, and as you can see, it did sprout some of its own juices. And now I'm just gonna leave it uncovered to go back into the oven. Now before I put it back into the oven, I am going to baste it. Okay. See how that liquid is looking so good in there? Back into the oven it goes. I'm going to show you guys 15 minutes later. So this is after 15 minutes. I'm going to take my brush this time. And brush it on. Because I don't have a lot of liquid. And back into the oven it goes. So my Cajun turkey wings are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm having these with some mac and cheese. I'm also having it with some candied yams, and I have some greens as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be inserting a picture with the plate as well. If you have not subscribed as yet and you like my content, please do. And do remember to have a good day on purpose. Bye.